networks are really good at learning from high dimensional data. That is, deep neural networks need high, like more of the database prior in hand to work good. But on other hand, humans believe in one-shot learning. For example, if you take a human who has never seen a spoon before and then show him a single picture of spoon, they probably be able to distinguish spoons from other kitchen utensils with a sound like very good. Recently, there have been many interesting papers about one-shot learning with neural networks, and they have got good results. One of them is Siamese network. So we'll go to the architecture of Siamese network and see how it works. For input, we take in Siamese network, we take input of two images, and as an output, we'll get probability that whether the given two images are similar or not. We take image one and pass it through the convolutional layers. In these convolutional layers, feature extraction is done by using either Haar classifiers. Haar classifiers are dark or white rectangles, also known as filters. Basically, that features of image are extracted using convolutional layers. In the last layer, they give us an fixed field vector. In this case, for image 1, it is h1, it is of 128 bytes, and similarly the image 2 is passed through the identical CNN network, and we get another vector of h2. Then we take absolute difference of h1 and h2 and then pass it through the sigmoid function. In sigmoid function, it will tell us the probability whether the given two images are similar or not, and giving a number ranging from 0 to 1. And the similarity score will tell us the similarity between the two images. Looking for the algorithm used, we can read it once. We take two images, image 1 and image 2. Both the images are fed to single convolutional neural network. The last layer of CNN produces a fixed size vector that is previously told 128 bits, and embedding of image, that is all features of the image are contained in that fixed vector. Since two images are fed, then we'll get two embeddings, that is h1 and h2 in our case. After that, the Euclidean distance between the vectors is calculated, that is h2 minus h1. The values then the values are passed through the sigmoid function, and the similarity score is produced. Now, if the difference between h1 and h2 is large, that is, difference means that how many features are same or how many features are different. If the features are different and the difference is large, we'll say that probability that they belong to same class is very low. And if the difference between two vectors is small, then we'll say the probability that they will belong to same class will be high. It is also used as a function that will say a sample image whether the image belongs to class 1 of sets or class 2 of sets, and similarly we'll compare with many classes, and at the end we'll tell the result that this given image belongs to which class. For example, in this sample image X is taken, and when passed through the Siamese network, it will give us the similarity of image belonging to class 1, and similarly when we take this image and pass it through the Siamese network, and we'll get the similarity with image belonging to class 2. We get the values like 0.78 in case 1 and 0.23 in case 2. Then after comparing all these values, like this is for example of only class 1 and class 2, there will be many classes to compare with similarity score, and will tell that the given sample image belongs to class 1. Then we have why Siamese network over CNN. In deep neural networks, as we also told earlier, we need a high database value prior in hand to compare the values, but and due to that the computation complexity is very high. But in Siamese network, we only need a handful of images from each class or of a person, and Siamese network they learn similarity functions. they don't classify but differentiate images. So it is easy to train and it's done. Thank you.
PSNR value. Yeah. So, like, what was the conclusion? Like, why are Siamese network better?
Siamese network is better because the given input before very many images need to be stored beforehand.
Okay, but like, what is the factor that is differentiating it from CNN? Like, CNN also we can train it on less data set, but there are different methods. Like zero shot learning is there, one shot learning is there. So why are we going for Siamese network? Yeah, these are the things that you have to like research into.
Yes.
Read a paper on Siamese network. So there are also things like
Yes.
related work and other sections in that paper. That's when you are reading a research paper, you don't just go dive into the methodology. You have to read the related work as well. Yeah, that's when you
Okay. Sir.
अश्विन कुछ बोलो हाँ हाँ गौरी का एक
Okay.
बार शेयर करना फिर से शायद
Yes. Sir. Just a second. Mm.
yeah can you go to that architecture
Yes.
where was the architecture
Yeah.
नहीं above other one yeah this one also looks like why is that like we are getting the input as 128 byte image or 128
It produces a
back
fixed
on that
vector that is only 128, I guess,
is it
already
necessary
defined.
that it should produce that
128 only.
okay in the research paper it mentions
Yes.
120 okay and तुमने ये देखा लाइक सिग्मॉइड तुमने बोल तो दिया लाइक एक्टिवेशन फंक्शन यूज हो रहा है बट हैव यू लाइक उसका फॉर्मुलेशन देखा लाइक मैथ्स किया है
No, I just read it that
फॉर्मूला क्या है सिग्मॉइड
sigmoid function only gives us probability about.
ओके या लाइक बट इसमें भी पढ़ो लाइक सिग्मॉइड है जैसे देन अगर यू वांट टू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन लाइक 50 क्लासेस ऑफ इमेजेस तब कौन सा फंक्शन यूज होगा सिग्मॉइड यूज नहीं हो सकता सो
Okay.
लाइक दिस इज द थिंकिंग यू नीड व्हेन यू आर डूइंग रिसर्च
Okay, sir.
So what if I say like what new can you can do from this paper, like taking this as the base